May I, on behalf of the Commission of the European Communities, thank you for you so graciously consenting to be present today at the ceremony inaugurating the joint European Taurus. We are grateful also to the authorities and to the people of the United Kingdom for the hospitality which has been extended to the JET project since 1978 and to the international scientific community which has been brought together here in Culham. In this setting, a highly advanced scientific project has been mounted successfully through the cooperation, the skill and the expertise of teams of scientists and technicians from the various countries of the European community as well as from Sweden and Switzerland. Monsieur le Président de la République, la cérémonie d'aujourd'hui revêt pour la communauté une importance toute particulière. Elle traduit en effet, en cette période difficile de notre vie communautaire, Joint European Tourist Project is a glowing example of what Europe can achieve as a community. It shows that as long as we have the will to work together, success is well within our reach. What has worked for JET can bring success for other sectors of community activity. The spirit of cooperation embodied in this project shows us the way forward. Thank you.
Merci, Monsieur le Président, pour vos paroles. Monsieur le Président de la République, si vous voulez bien prendre la parole.
Madame, l'opinion publique de nos pays, de nos 10 pays, a trop tendance à ne retenir de la construction européenne que les situations de crise qui jalonnent son histoire. Pourtant, l'Europe se construit et il faut des manifestations comme celle-ci pour révéler en pleine lumière un paysage nouveau qui se dessine, ouvert sur l'avenir. Autour de pôles d'excellence, ouverts sur l'extérieur, exposés, et c'est une bonne chose, à la compétition internationale. C'est dans ces lieux d'accueil, qui sont aussi des lieux de formation pour nos jeunes chercheurs, que se crée peu à peu une conscience commune. C'est donc là aussi que l'Europe se construit. Oui, j'exprime au nom de la communauté européenne mes vœux les plus fervents pour la complète réussite de l'entreprise grandiose, réelle et symbolique qui s'engage ici. Je voudrais enfin, puisque nous sommes en 1984, ne pas manquer cette circonstance, Votre Majesté, pour rappeler que nous en sommes au 80e anniversaire de l'entente cordiale. C'est-à-dire que c'est à partir d'événements de cet ordre, entente et cordiale, que l'Europe a pris conscience d'elle-même. Ne retirons rien aux autres pays qui contribuent autant que nous à la construction de l'Europe, mais n'oublions pas non plus les jalons décisifs. C'est ce que je voulais vous dire pour conclure, Madame, en souhaitant que l'avenir soit plus riche encore de réussite que le passé.
Merci, Monsieur le Président de la République, de vos paroles pleines d'espoir. And now, may it please Your Majesty to say a few words and then to perform the opening ceremony by pressing the button behind you, which will start the large concrete door on your left to slowly open and to unveil the plaque to commemorate this ceremony. Your Majesty.
All of us here today may have a tale to tell our grandchildren when we say that we attended the unveiling of the joint European Torus at Culham and witnessed the beginning of a brilliant new technological advance. In an energy-hungry world, the jet may be a step along the road towards a virtually unlimited source of electric power. I am delighted to be able to applaud this magnificent technical achievement, the full potential of which is still to be revealed. I am proud that my country, through the United Kingdom Atomic Energy Authority and British industry, has made a contribution to the launching of the project. It is also particularly appropriate that the President of France, who currently holds the presidency of the European Council, should be with us today to celebrate this achievement of European cooperation. We warmly welcome him and other distinguished guests. There is a long way to go before we will know for sure whether fusion can be used to generate electricity reliably and economically and without harm to the environment. It is a challenge which will be a great stimulus to human ingenuity, and one which has already evoked from the project team a response of the highest quality. I wish you all good luck with your future efforts, and I have great pleasure in formally opening the joint European Torus.
Your Majesty, on the behalf of everyone associated with JET, may I thank you for performing this opening ceremony. Before inviting you to see JET, I asked to Dr. Wooster to present some album of photographs.
No,